Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module that is
import warehouse location and inventory adjustment. So for that, click on inventory menu. You can see here import warehouse location menus for import location. So click on import warehouse location menu, open visa for warehouse locations. Here fill information like select file option, CSV option or XLS option. So select CSV option. Here upload your file CSV or XLS file. So upload your CSV file from here. So select location CSV file. If user download sample file, so click on download sample file button and download it. If fill information of wizards, so now go for import. So click on import. You can import display message warehouse location successfully imported. So for that, go to the configuration and show the imported locations here. So now here you can see the imported locations like G-Close, printing, production, quality stock and ammo stock. Here this is all the imported locations here. Now next is import inventory adjustment. So for that, here you can see the import inventory adjustment menu. So click on inventory adjustment menu for wizard of import inventory adjustment. Here you can fill all information of wizards. So first is inventory of. So here create inventory adjustment for all products, only one product category, only one product, or select manually product. So for that you can select one product category. Here inventory adjustment create for one product category. Here select file options like CSV or XLS. So select CSV. Here import product by import product by name, code and barcode. So select code. Here select one product category. So for that select inventory location for inventory adjustment. So here select WH stock location. Here go to the inventory adjustment name. So give inventory adjustment name like inventory or computer and select inventory category. Because of select one product category inventory, so select here category of physical. Here upload your inventory adjustment file. Here CSV file of code. So select inventory adjustment code CSV and select company of inventory adjustment. Here you can select my company Chicago. If all the fill information, now next is if user can download sample file for inventory adjustment. So click on download sample file and download it. If fill all the information, now go for import inventory adjustment. So click on import. Here display message inventory adjustment successfully imported. So for inventory adjustment, go to the operations and go to the inventory adjustment menu, and here you can see inventory of computer. This is imported at inventory adjustment. Here in inventory, three products is imported: graphics card, iPad Retina display and processor core I53. This is important inventory adjustment. This is all about warehouse location and inventory adjustment.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.